If you're someone who's constantly stressed out, maybe from work, school, or just life in general, this video is for you. We're diving into 5 reasons stressed out people should try ASMR. But first, let's talk about what ASMR even is. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It's that tingly, calming sensation some people feel when they hear soft sounds, like whispering, tapping, or gentle rustling. Think of it as a brain massage that helps you relax. Not everyone experiences the tingles, but even if you don't, ASMR can still work wonders for your stress levels. So, let's get into these 5 reasons why ASMR might just be your new go-to stress buster. Let's start with reason number 1. ASMR triggers relaxation. When you're stressed, your body's in fight-or-flight mode. Your heart's racing, your mind's spinning. ASMR flips that switch. Listening to someone softly tapping a wooden box or whispering can signal your brain to chill out. Studies suggest that ASMR lowers heart rates and activates parts of the brain linked to calm and comfort. I mean, imagine this. You've had a rough day, deadlines are looming, and then you pop on some ASMR. Suddenly, you're breathing slower, and the chaos feels a little less overwhelming. It's like a reset button for your nervous system. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment, just some headphones in a quiet corner. Reason number 2. ASMR is an easy escape. Life can feel like a pressure cooker sometimes, right? You can't always jet off to a tropical island to de-stress, but ASMR gives you a mini vacation without leaving your couch. Whether it's a video of someone brushing a microphone or role-playing a spa treatment, it pulls you out of your head and into this soothing little world. It's low effort. You don't have to meditate for an hour or master yoga poses. Just press play, close your eyes, and let the sounds wash over you. For stressed out people who don't have time or energy for big self-care routines, ASMR is like a cheat code to feeling better fast. Next up, reason 3. ASMR improves sleep. If stress keeps you tossing and turning at night, you're not alone. Sleep issues are super common when you're anxious. ASMR can help with that. Tons of people use it as a bedtime ritual because those gentle sounds, like rain falling or pages turning, lull your brain into a drowsy state. There's even research showing that ASMR fans fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. Picture this. You're lying in bed, your mind's replaying every stressful moment of the day, and then you listen to someone crinkling paper or whispering a story. Before you know it, you're out like a light. Better sleep means less stress tomorrow. It's a win-win. Reason 4. ASMR is totally customizable. Stress hits everyone differently, and so does relaxation. The cool thing about ASMR is there's something for everyone. Love nature sounds? There's an ASMR video of wind through trees. Prefer personal attention? Try a haircut roleplay. You can find creators tapping objects, cooking imaginary meals, or even pretending to be your friend chatting softly. With millions of videos out there, you can experiment until you find your perfect trigger. And if one doesn't work, no big deal. Skip to the next. For stressed out folks, having control over what calms you down is huge. It's like building your own stress relief playlist, but with sounds instead of songs. Finally, reason 5. ASMR is free and accessible. Let's be real. Stress relief tools like therapy or massages can get pricey, and not everyone has the budget for that. ASMR, it's just a YouTube search away. You don't need to sign up for anything or buy special gear, though headphones help, they're not required. There's a massive community of ASMR artists creating content every day, from big channels to small creators, all for free. Whether you're at home, on a break at work, or stuck in traffic with your phone, you can tap into ASMR anytime. For stressed out people looking for a quick, no-cost way to unwind, it doesn't get much better than that. So, there you have it. 5 solid reasons why stressed out people should give ASMR a shot. It triggers relaxation to calm your nerves, offers an easy escape from daily chaos, improves your sleep to recharge you, lets you customize it to your vibe, and best of all, it's free and right at your fingertips. If stress has been running your life lately, why not try it? Pop on a video tonight and see if those tingles or just the soothing vibes work for you. Let me know in the comments if you're an ASMR fan or if you've got a favorite trigger. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to tackle stress. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next one.